Well, I've got several issues here. I'm looking at this block and I realize the exhaust manifold is on here backwards. You see where I pulled the distributor off? Because apparently my high school brain didn't realize the distributor does not go here in the front. It's supposed to be in the back. And you can see where the post broke off. That means I have this this intake manifold on backwards. It's glued on there so well that I can't risk damaging the whole block just to get that off. So I'm gonna have to just find a way to put this on the back here. Oh, and you can see where a piece of this exhaust manifold, I keep saying exhaust, intake manifold broke off while I was trying to get it up. And almost cut my finger off in the process. I was like, oh, that's it. The exhaust manifolds, you see where the pegs were, those broke off in there. And what I'm finding out is if I try prying, instead of things breaking loose, this plastic almost has like a gummy type texture where the glue used to be. You can see where the oil pan was. It didn't just release. You can see the rivets from the oil pan right there. You know, it wasn't a clean break. It actually broke off part of the edge there. So I've decided I'm not gonna take apart any more of this. So I'll try to clean it up, put everything back together, and paint it the proper colors. But yeah, this has to be in the back. It can't be in the front. Yeah, it's kind of a mess. But if I'm gonna salvage this, I cannot pry on this anymore. Yeah, you can see right there where I was prying, trying to get that thing off, and this side's even harder. So after that broke, I went, okay, I'm gonna stop. That's it. So. Okay, so let's check this out. We got this Maxi Cure glue from Hobbytown. Yeah, that's where I got that from. Because the glue I have is really thin, just way too thin. So I'm hoping this glue right here will be thicker. All right, let's go for the easy one first. Let's put the oil pan back on. What's the consistency of this stuff? Okay, looks pretty thick. I wanted something thick for this. Okay, while that's setting up, I'm gonna take
but
Thunder.
Yeah. A baby the other day.
Baby thunder?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, why are you taking the paper off? Don't take the paper off.
Okay.
You can't?
It's when they...
Well, I made a little bit of progress on the engine today. So, I do not like the way this orange came out. Of course, I should have primed this engine first, but that's okay. This is acrylic paint, and I didn't realize it. Still learning this stuff. I don't like the acrylic paint. Don't like it. It's so smelly. But you see I got the intake manifold painted up. It's no longer orange. And I was able to glue that distributor onto the back, even though I've got the intake manifold on backwards. And got my oil filter on there, starter. I don't have a semi-gloss paint, otherwise I would have painted that starter semi-gloss. I could do a wash, but I don't have any wash stuff, and I haven't learned how to make it yet. But I think this will be fine. I got the valve covers painted too, and they're not quite dry yet, but there they are. And I started painting the exhaust manifolds and some of the aluminum on the steering wheel. So that's kind of where we are right now. And then tomorrow, put the valve covers on, put the rest of the engine stuff together, and then I don't know. If I get adventurous enough, I might see if I can find me some wire and make some ignition wires. But I'm not sure. I've never done it before. Put all that back together and move on to the next step.